Yes, guys, what's going on then? It's your boy, NJ. Welcome back to the NJ Show. That's right, this is the home of all your reaction videos. Hope you're all having a great day today. I'm sure that you are. Right, let's get straight into it. You guys have requested it. This is Gigi De Lana and the Gigi Vibes performing the song Tattooed on My Mind by D Sound. Never heard this in my life, so super excited. Cannot wait. Thank you so much for requesting it, guys. You know me and my love for Gigi De Lana, continuously making my heart grow fonder each and every day we have her on this show. Oh man, it's only going to get better, I swear. Right, before we get into it, if you are new here, you know what to do. What you should do, I'm about to tell you. Like and subscribe. That is all you got to do. It's 2 clicks. Get on it, and it just lets me know every time that you want more content like this on the show. And I'll deliver the goods, right, my amigos? Let's check this one out together. Expect the unexpected. And let that countdown commence on 3, 2, 1. Let's react. No, what's John got on his mouth?
Maybe soon.
I've never heard this song before. Super chill.
And I can't get you out of my dreams. I don't wanna ride, 'cause I don't wanna call.
Is that a new tattoo on her neck? I don't think I've ever seen that before. Let me know down below in the comments. Hit it up. Yeah, girl. Smashing it, as always. Right here today on the NJ Show. You guys are at home. I am as well. This is it, baby. Come on. Light it up.
Yesterday, I was sitting upset. Baby, all I do today is try to be brave. And seem to soothe my mind. For being so sweet and so kind. And I can't get you out of my dreams. Now I know the other name is kind. And your face is tattooed on my mind. And I can get you out of my dreams. And I can get you out of mine.
Lovely count from Romeo. Back into the song.
to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Always.
guys. We love you all.
Gigi De Lana and
Let's
Gigi vibes.
Go. There we go, my guys. Perfecto once again from the goddess herself, Gigi De Lana. And my guys in the background laying it down, the Gigi vibes. Wowza. Incredible. Yeah, never heard that song before. That was kind of cool, man. Kind of like peaceful, very melodic, very soulful. Just down with it, mate. I'm absolutely loving that one. Though, yeah, guys, thank you so much for requesting it. As always, request the next one down below. It only makes sense, right? What do you want? Do you want more Gigi De Lana? I have a feeling you do. You're screaming at me right now saying, NJ, come on, what are you playing at? Get on it. And I will, no doubt about it. So if there's anything that you want me to check out of Gigi, hit it up down below. As always, tell me your thoughts, feelings, and opinions on this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's go, my guys. We'll see you in the next one. It is only going to get better and better. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. So that was then Tattooed on My Mind by D-Sound, performed and sung by the legendary goddess, the beautiful singer that is Gigi De Lana. Wowza. Right, guys, let's vamos. Let's roll. Come on, let's get out of it. You know what I always say? Let's rendezvous right back here. Same time, same place. Who am I? I'm your boy, NJ. You have been on the NJ Show, and you know what time it is. It's time to go, but we will see you very soon in the next reaction video. Right, take care, and be safe out there. Later.